Hi children, today we are doing the rainy day. It's baby with umbrella. So let's get start. The umbrella color is a deep green. So let's get paint. Beautiful. Now let's start face color. So face color you know light skin color. So let's get apply. That's okay. It's so pretty. So now color is a hand shading color. So eyebrow color is a pink shadow. And this pink is like beautiful baby. And now color is a lips color, magical red. So let's get straight. So apply. Oh, fantastic. Now this is a hand color. This is a light orange color. Now baby dress color is a light chick jack. The six stand color. And the skirt color is a dark purple. So let's get applied. Okay, it's a past color is a belt. And this is a deep brown, which is an orange color. And this is fill up. Oh, such a pretty baby. So now it's the last hair color. Hair color is a brown and it's a dark color. And so this color is full applied the hair. Now the hair batch color is a deep orange. So let's just find the color and just apply. Oh, beautiful. So our girls and umbrellas color is ready. Now is our water drop color, ready drop color. So ready drop color is a light nail color. So light. Okay, wonderful. Now this is the cloud color. Cloud color is a dark color because of rain is coming for dark cloud. Okay, so now this is the rest of this sky color is a black and sky color is a mix. So let's get left right. Okay, this is apply the black color. Now the steady sky color is a slight like out dark. Fantastic. So now this is brown color is a deep dark brown color. So apply the brown color first. Just the sky color is a dark brown, this black and the sky color. This rainy day is coming, so let's our painting is ready. Thank you, children.